All right, here's the deal. If your home's been sitting on the market longer than you planned, you're probably thinking, what the hell is wrong with my home? And look, I get it. Selling your home can be incredibly stressful, especially when it feels like buyers are just not interested. So let's break down the three main reasons homes just sit on the market. Those are price, condition, and marketing. And spoiler alert, each one has a fix that can get you the attention that you need on your home. Let's be real here. If your home isn't getting offers, the price is probably the biggest factor. In today's market, buyers are pretty savvy. They're comparing every home out there, including yours. And if the price is off, they'll move on without even a second thought. So imagine this thing we use called the pricing pyramid. The higher you price your home above market value, the smaller your buyer pool becomes. Even 5% above market value, and you're cutting your potential buyers in half. Go even higher and you can see what happens pretty quickly. Pricing it right from the start gives you the best shot at a quick sale with the less stress possible. And listen, I know your home is special to you. Maybe you've got years of memories there, or you've put a lot of heart into upgrades and personal touches. But buyers aren't paying for those memories. They're paying market value. Overpricing just raises red flags, especially when buyers see a home sitting on the market for a while. And I get it, setting the right price can feel hard. If you're feeling uncertain about where your home should be priced, let's sit down and take a fresh look at it. I can do a market analysis and make sure you're positioned just right. All right, next up is condition. Buyers these days want something that is move-in ready. Even small issues like chip paint or outdated fixtures can make them move on to the next option pretty quickly. They don't want fixer-uppers on their list of homes. That's not their goal. The good news is a few affordable fixes can make a huge difference. A fresh coat of paint, fixing up small repairs, or even just a really deep clean can go a long way. And staging is huge too. When buyers walk in, they want to picture themselves living there, not you. And if you're thinking of selling as is, just remember, you're probably going to need to lower the price a bit to reflect that. And last but not least, let's talk about marketing and exposure. Even if your home is priced right and in great shape, it's got to be seen. In today's digital world, if buyers aren't seeing your home online, they're not going to show up in person either. Think about it. When's the last time you bought anything without researching it online first? This is where professional photos and videos, virtual tours, and a strong online presence are crucial. A great agent should be leveraging everything: social media, email campaigns, open houses, and online presence. The more eyes on your home, the better your chances are for a fast and profitable sale. And keep in mind, timing matters. The first 2 weeks on the market are when your home is freshest and gets the most attention. If it's priced right, it'll catch the eye of all of the serious buyers out there. But if it's priced too high right out of the gate, that early momentum fades and it's tough to get it back. Buyers start wondering, why hasn't it sold yet? What's wrong with it? And that's exactly what you need to avoid. So if your home isn't selling, take it as feedback from the market. It's a sign to take a closer look at the three things: price, condition, and your marketing. Selling doesn't have to drag out. If you're ready to get things moving, let's chat. We'd love to help you and your family.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.